Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. You're watching Boss Your Money. As you know from my previous videos, I'm a huge fan of investing with Sarwa. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about an amazing update that they have brought into their platform. If you're ready to learn a little bit more about this amazing update, please leave a like down below. And while you're at it, subscribe to the channel as well so you don't miss a single one of my life-changing personal finance videos. Let's get straight into it. Now, if you have seen my previous videos on Sarwa, you know exactly why I love Sarwa so much. It is extremely beginner friendly and anyone at all who wants to invest can get started right away without having to know a lot about investing at all. The second reason why I love Sarwa is because they are regulated by the DFSA and incorporated in the DIFC. They are also regulated in the FSRA and incorporated in the ADGM. And as you know, they don't hold any of your investments at all. All of your investments are actually held by a stockbroker, which is Saxo Bank at the moment. It used to be Interactive Brokers previously. It is right now Saxo Bank, as I said. Now, Saxo Bank obviously has been in the stock market brokerage game for a long time. So you don't have any reason to worry about the safety of your investments. Plus, on top of all of this, their fees are extremely low. And if you use the link in the description below to sign up for yourself, you will receive 250 dirhams directly into your bank account just by investing the minimum investment amount required of $500 with Sarwa. Now, all of this sounds amazing. And as you know, the way the platform actually works is you set up your risk profile, and based on your risk profile and your risk threshold, the company Sarwa will actually choose your investments for you. So you don't have to lift a single finger. Plus, you also have options like dividend reinvestments, which credit your dividends back into your account as a reinvestment. So all of these features are absolutely incredible, and that is why I love Sarwa. Now let's get into this amazing new update that they are bringing onto their platform, which a lot of you guys have been asking me about in the comment section down below. Now, if you have any other questions, please let me know in the comment section as well. And like I'm answering this question, I would probably make a video on those questions as well. So the question that you have been asking me in the comment section is that whether you can actually go and buy individual stocks. Can you trade? Can you invest on your own? Or is it all done automatically only by Sarwa? And up until this point, it has been only an automated process. So as nice as it is for you to leave everything on autopilot, some of you may want to buy individual stocks, or you might want to diversify into automated investing as well as buying manually the stocks that you want to buy individually. So Sarwa has now started an initiative and an upgrade to their platform that allows you to do just this. And this is called Sarwa Trade. So let me quickly run you down the website that they have set up for Sarwa Trade, and we will talk a little bit about what exactly it is. And I'm also going to show you a brief 1-minute clip of Sarwa telling you what Sarwa Trade is in their own words. So as you can see, they promise a zero commission trading platform. There is no account minimum balance, which means you can invest as little as $1 if you want. So what you need to know about Sarwa Trade is that it is in the pre-launch phase, and you can join their waitlist by going over to the website that I'm showing you right here and put in your email ID and your name and just register for yourself to be in the waitlist. Once they launch, you can then go ahead and start trading, obviously.
It is. Okay. Yes, it is.
We're launching Sarwa Trade, the first zero commission trading platform in the UAE.
You're going to be able to buy and sell stocks in a few taps straight from your mobile app.
It's trading made simple and no account minimum, no kidding.
So wait, does this mean you guys are done with passive investing and it's all about active investing now?
No, not at all. Our advice stays the same. We still believe that building long-term wealth should be done in a smart, low-cost, and diversified portfolio.
But that doesn't mean you can't trade a few stocks, especially if it's according to themes you believe in. whether it's crypto, green energy, or innovative tech companies.
As long as you do it in a responsible way as part of a holistic financial plan.
Sarwa becomes your one-stop shop money manager. We're not going to stop you from trading, and in fact, we're going to help you make more money there too.
It's really first of its kind in the region. You've asked for it.
You've asked, we listen. You're getting smart trading and smart investing in a safe and regulated environment.
So wait, what's next?
Join the
Join the
waitlist.
Join the
waitlist.
waitlist.
So all of this seems absolutely amazing, absolutely incredible. I'm very excited for the launch. I have obviously registered myself to the waitlist, and I'm looking forward to see what exactly they're going to bring to the table in terms of investing from the UAE in different global markets. As you can see, the website goes on to describe in very brief detail what exactly they are planning to bring to the table. They do not plan to stop the automated investing platform at all. They still very much believe that investing on a regular basis in index funds and ETFs are the best way to go about it, and I absolutely do agree with them. But having said that, some of us do want to invest in individual instruments as well. So this is a great opportunity for us to try that out now. As per usual, I will definitely keep you updated on what I think about the platform. Once it's launched, I will obviously start investing myself. And once I start investing, I will give you my review of the Sarwa Trade platform. Here's your question for the day. Are you planning to start investing? If you are, what do you think about investing with Sarwa Trade? Are you going to try it out? Let me know in the comment section. If you are not interested in Sarwa Trade, what exactly are you interested in investing about? I've made many videos on investing in Bitcoin. I've made videos on investing in various different instruments. I've made a video on how you can invest in peer-to-peer lending, so on and so forth. I have lots of different investment ideas for you right now. I'm also releasing a video next week on how you can start making passive income by starting your own YouTube channel. If that's something you're interested in, please make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that video. If you're excited about Sarwa Trade just like I am, please don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.